Good afternoon to one and all present. Myself Shivangi. Today I am here to show my cooking skills. As I am a science teacher, I am teaching science to the students, but as well as I want that my students should be perfect in some other skills also, like cooking, dancing, singing and all. So here for my dear students, I am cooking a very easy recipe, that is a flameless recipe. Why I have chosen flameless recipe? Because this is easy to make. My students will take interest in making the recipe. Now I would like to tell the ingredients that I will use in this recipe. This is oregano flakes, this is chili flakes, this is salt, red chili powder, green chutney, red sauce ketchup, tomato ketchup you can say, veg mayonnaise. Here I have taken some vegetables, capsicum, carrot and onion. Here is paneer which we have to grate. Some green chilies which we have to chop. Butter for greasing. Bread, the main item is bread. So for all these you can identify what I am going to make. I am going to make a yummy crispy grilled sandwich. For this we need a griller also. Now first of all I am going to chop the vegetables little. We have to chop the vegetables very carefully as knife is a sharp object. So by safely you have to chop the vegetables one by one. First of all I am going to chop an onion. How to chop an onion? Cut from the between. I am using chopper board from here so that easily I can chop the vegetables. We have to chop the vegetables very carefully, little by little. Very small pieces we have to do of the onions, of the capsicum. Carrot we will grate. My onions are chopped very finely. Now we are going to chop capsicum. Capsicum, some of the children don't like capsicum, but in this if you will eat, it will be very delicious for you to eat. We have to cut it very finely. We have to cut in small pieces. Like we have chopped onion, in the same way, very finely, we have to chop the capsicum also. As we have cut capsicum also very finely now, it's the turn of carrot and paneer. These both the items is to be grated. Now how we will grate? We will use grater for it. This is called a grater. For students, it's very easy to use. How you will use it? You will do it like this and then you will have a carrot in your hand and then you will grate it like this. You can see the carrot is being grated in fine pieces, small pieces. Like this you can grate the carrots. Carrot is also very healthy for us. We should eat all the vegetables as vegetable provides us nutritional values. As the grating of the carrot is about to complete, very carefully you have to do this. Okay, now the carrot grating has been done. Now our next step is to grate paneer. In the same way we will grate the paneer also. Paneer is very easy to grate, very smoothly it is grated. As paneer is a dairy product, it provides us protein also. So we should eat paneer also as it is very beneficial for our bones and overall development of our body, for our growth. So here our paneer is also about to grate. After that our next step will be we have to mix all the vegetables in the veg mayonnaise that I have shown you earlier also. Okay viewers, as you can see, I have chopped all the vegetables and I have grated carrot and paneer also very finely. So you can see carrot, paneer, onion, capsicum and green chili. Very finely you have to cut. Next step is we have to pour all the vegetables in this veg mayonnaise. This is called veg mayonnaise. This is a cream which makes our food delicious. Sandwiches, burgers. In fast food this mayonnaise is used. Now we will add all these chopped vegetables in this mayonnaise. First of all, I am putting capsicum in it. Everything you have to put inside it, that they will mix thoroughly. Now onion I am pouring in it. Green chilies already I have chopped. These also we have to put for our taste. This you can take according to your choice. If you want to eat more spicy, then you can eat more. Then you can chop more chilies, otherwise it's your own choice. Next, grated carrot I am taking. I am putting inside it. Next is grated paneer. Now we are going to add salt and red chili inside this. Salt you can add up to you. It's up to you. If you eat more salty, then you can add more salt. Otherwise, a little is enough. The spreading we will do of salt inside it. Now I am going to add red chili inside it. Red chili also, that is according to your taste. As I have added green chilies also, so red chilies I have put a little. Now we will mix it thoroughly. You have to mix it properly so that the veg mayonnaise should be mixed properly with all the vegetables. As I have mixed all the vegetables thoroughly in this veg mayonnaise, you can say it. Now I have taken 2 bread slices. First of all, we will apply on one slice we will apply green chutney, and on another slice we will apply red sauce, that is ketchup. How to apply? You take a little green chutney on this and apply thoroughly. Like this. Apply on the complete bread. Next, you take red sauce. Apply red sauce on one side. Thoroughly like this on the complete bread. Now you have to do stuffing of all the vegetables along with mayonnaise on one slice of bread. Like this completely you do it. Now you have to put another bread over the bread which is being stuffed, which has been stuffed. Like this you have to press it. Now you have to do greasing of butter on both the sides, above also and on bottom also. After that you have to insert it in the griller. Otherwise it will stick to the griller. Okay. Now we will apply butter. We will do greasing of butter. From which side you are doing greasing, from that side you have to put into the griller. As I have applied butter on this side, so I am putting this side bottomwards. And on the above side, I will do the greasing. Now it will not stick to the sides of the griller. Now we have to switch on the griller, we have to press the griller and we have to turn it on. We have to close it. It will take a few minutes to be crispy. As the red light is on, it means the griller is start. After a few minutes, our sandwich will become crispy and yummy to eat. After inserting the sandwich in it, you will see a green light will appear on the top. It means now you have to on the griller and you have to take out your sandwich. I have switched off the griller. Now I am taking out my sandwich from inside. Now you can see the sandwich is ready to eat. Sandwich is ready to eat and it's seeming so much crispy also. Now we have to cut it with the help of pizza cutter. Like this you can cut. This pizza cutter I am having to cut the sandwich. You can cut it nicely. Stuffing we can do afterwards we can add some chili flakes above it and some oregano flakes. It will make it tasty. Grilled sandwich are ready to eat. You can see the sandwiches are seeming so crispy. Along with, you can serve with green chutney, with ketchup also, and you can give whatever you want. As curd also you can give, or tea also you can serve with it. It's a very good refreshment item, you can say. It will consume very less time and very easy to make. Now I would like to invite Miss Priya to have a taste and tell me how it is.
It is very delicious and very tasty. You should definitely try it at home.
Thank you, Priya. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.